Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a big Walmart store. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and a store worker. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. In a big store, how can you find the thing you want? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Here we are, Erin. This is Walmart.
Wow, the store is so big.
Yes, this one is a Supercenter.
A supercenter? What is that?
It sells food, clothes, toys, and more, all in one place.
All in one store? That is amazing.
There are so many of them in America. Many people live very close to one.
So you can find a Walmart almost everywhere?
Almost. They are everywhere.
Look at all the cars. The parking lot is huge.
It is always busy. Let us get a cart.
A cart? Oh, for our shopping.
Yes. Here, take this one.
Thank you. It rolls so easily.
The carts here are big, right?
Yes, very big. I can put so much in it.
That is part of the plan. A big cart, a big shopping trip.
So the big cart makes me buy more.
Maybe a little. Everything here has a reason.
I will remember that.
Here's a fun fact. The shopping cart is not very old.
Really? When was it made?
A man made the first one in 1937.
That is not so long ago. Before that, what did people use?
They carried a small basket in their hands.
That sounds heavy.
It was. So a store owner made a cart with wheels.
Smart man. Everyone must have loved it.
No, not at first. People did not want to use it.
Why not?
Men thought it looked weak. Women thought it looked like something for a baby.
That is funny, but now everyone uses one.
Yes, now we cannot shop without it. Come on, let's go inside.
I'm ready. Let us start. Oh, look. Fruits and vegetables. Right by the door.
Yes, this is the produce section.
Produce? That means fresh fruits and vegetables?
Right. Stores often put it near the front door.
Why here? Why not in the back?
Because it looks fresh and colorful. It gives a good first feeling.
I see. The bright colors make me want to buy.
That is the idea. A happy start makes you shop more.
Clever. Look at these apples. They look so shiny.
Pick one up. Is it firm?
Yes, it feels hard and fresh. I will take a few.
Good. Put them in a plastic bag, like this.
How do they know the price? There is no box.
Good question. Some fruit is sold by weight.
By weight? So heavier costs more?
Right. They weigh it on a scale at the checkout.
I see. I pay for just what I take.
Exactly. And look, some food says organic here.
Organic? What does that mean?
It is grown in a natural way with no strong chemicals.
I will try some. It sounds healthy.
Good idea. Healthy food is always smart.
Okay. And these bananas? They're everywhere.
Of course. Do you know the best-selling food here?
Is it bread or milk?
No, it is bananas.
Bananas? Really?
Yes, Americans buy more bananas than any other food.
That surprises me. Why bananas?
They're cheap, easy to carry, and good for you.
That is true. And children love them.
Right, so the store always has a big pile of them.
Let me take a few too. They look nice and yellow.
Good choice. Now, what is next on your list?
I need some snacks for the kids.
Then let us find them. But this store is huge.
Yes. How will we ever find anything?
Do not worry. I will show you a trick.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I am looking for snacks for children.
Sure. Those are in aisle 9.
Aisle 9? How do I know where that is?
Look up. Each aisle has a big number sign.
Oh, I see them now. The numbers hang from the ceiling.
Right. In a big store, just look at the aisle numbers. That is the easy way to find things.
That is so helpful. Thank you.
There is also another way. Do you have the Walmart app on your phone?
No, not yet. What does it do?
You type the name of a thing, and the app shows you the aisle number.
Really? So my phone can tell me where to go?
Yes, the store is so big, the app saves a lot of time.
That is amazing. I will get the app today.
One more tip. Look at the snacks for kids.
Okay, what about them?
They are on the low shelves near the floor.
Now that you say it, yes. Why are they down low?
So children can see them. A child looks up at the high shelves and sees nothing.
But the low shelf is right at their eyes.
Exactly. They see the fun box and ask their parents for it.
So smart and a little bit sneaky.
It is good business. Do you need help with anything else?
One more thing. Are the workers always this kind?
We try to be. A big store can feel scary to a new shopper.
It can, but you made it easy for me.
That is my job. Just ask anytime.
No, this is great. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Enjoy your shopping.
David, look. They sell clothes here too.
Yes, you can buy a shirt and your dinner in the same trip.
These clothes are not expensive at all.
Now, Walmart is famous for low prices.
Can I try this shirt on first?
Yes, there's a fitting room over there.
Good. I do not want the wrong size.
Smart. Trying it first saves a second trip.
I keep seeing this yellow happy face. What is it?
That is the rollback sign.
Rollback? What does that mean?
It means the price went down. The store rolled it back to a lower price.
So the yellow smiley face means cheaper now?
Right. When you see it, you know it is a good deal.
I love that little face. It makes me happy to save money.
That is the plan.
And what is this brand, Great Value? I see it on many things.
That is Walmart's own brand.
Their own brand?
Yes, the store makes its own products and sells them for less.
So it is cheaper than the famous brands.
Usually, yes. And many people say it tastes just as good.
I will try some. Every dollar counts.
Smart shopper. Did you know this store started small?
Really? It is so big now.
The first store opened in 1962 in a small town.
Just one store?
Just one. Now there are thousands around the world.
From one small shop to all of this. That's a big story.
It is. Okay, do you need anything else here?
I need some soap and towels.
Those are this way. The Great Value soap is cheaper.
Then I'll buy the store brand soap.
Good. Same soap, lower price. Follow me.
David, is that a TV section over there?
Yes, they sell electronics too. phones, computers, televisions.
This really is a store for everything.
It is, and there is more. See that counter?
Yes. What is it?
That is the pharmacy. You can get your medicine here.
Medicine too? In a food store?
Yes, and look over there. They check your eyes and sell glasses.
An eye doctor inside Walmart?
Right. Some stores even have a place to cut your hair.
A haircut? You are joking.
I am not. You can shop, get medicine, fix your glasses, and cut your hair.
You could spend the whole day here.
Some people almost do. That is why it is called a supercenter.
Now I understand the name. One store for your whole life.
Almost. Food, clothes, health, and home, all under one roof.
What else do they sell?
Pet food, garden plants, even car tires.
Car tires in the same store?
Yes, you can shop while they fix your car.
That is so convenient. Ooh, I can smell food too.
Yes, many stores have a small place to eat.
So I can take a break and eat here?
Of course, then keep shopping after.
In my country, I go to many small shops for all that.
Here, you park once and get everything.
That saves so much time.
It does. That is why families love it.
I can see why. There is so much to look at.
Be careful, it is easy to buy too much.
Too late. My cart is already full.
Then maybe it is time to pay.
Yes. Where do we go?
The checkout is at the front. Let us head over.
Okay. Lead the way. Okay, my cart is full. Where do we pay?
We can use the self-checkout. Come over here.
Self-checkout? I do this myself?
Yes, it is easy. I will show you.
Okay. I am a little nervous.
Do not worry. First, take an item from the cart.
Like this can of soup?
Yes. See the barcode? Those little black lines?
I see them.
Hold the lines over the glass, like this.
Oh, it made a sound.
That means it worked. The price is on the screen now.
Let me try the next one. I did it.
Good job. Just do the same for each thing.
One by one. This is kind of fun.
When you finish, you pay with cash or a card.
That is easy. No long line, no waiting.
Right. Many people like it for that reason.
Do I put the things in bags myself?
Yes, you bag them here as you scan.
Okay, I will be careful with the eggs.
Good thinking. Heavy things first, soft things on top.
Hey, David, I want to ask you something.
Sure. What is it?
We walked so far to get the milk. It was in the very back.
Yes, good eye. The milk is always in the back.
Why? Everyone buys milk. Why put it so far away?
That is the reason. They put popular things in the back.
So I have to walk past everything to reach the milk?
Exactly. And on the way, you see other things and buy more.
It worked on me. My cart is so full now.
It works on everyone. Okay, let us finish paying.
Right. Almost done. We did it. That was a lot of shopping.
Yes, you found everything on your list?
I did, and many things that were not on my list.
That happens to everyone here.
David, I have one more question.
Of course, ask me.
I bought this shirt, but I am not sure about the size. What if it does not fit?
No problem. You can bring it back.
Bring it back? Really?
Yes, in America, stores let you return things easily.
So I can get my money back?
Yes, just keep your receipt, the little paper they give you.
This long paper? I always throw it away.
Do not throw it away. The receipt shows what you bought.
I see. So I keep the receipt and I can return the shirt?
Right. Bring the shirt and the receipt and they give your money back.
That is so kind. I feel safe to buy now.
That is the idea. People buy more when returning is easy.
Everything here makes you want to shop.
Now you understand Walmart.
I do. A big store, low prices, and a friendly return policy.
You learned a lot today.
I did, and I learned new words too. Produce, aisle, barcode, receipt.
Those words will help you in any American store.
Thank you, David. Shopping with you was fun.
Anytime, Erin. Let's load the car and go home.
Wait, where did we park? The lot is so big.
I always remember the row number. We're in row 5.
Smart. I would lose my car here.
Many people do. Take a photo of the sign next time.
Good tip. One more thing to remember.
You are learning fast.
Yes, and maybe get some bananas next time.
Now you sound like a real Walmart shopper.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. In a big store, how can you find the thing you want? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. Alright, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.